Hi everything! How are you to find out? The meaning for me of COVID-19, it is a kind of virus which is dangerosity. Yes. If COVID, the virus is a most functional virus in the world that we face today. Even a functional disaster and most valuable disaster in the world is considered as ourselves. That is COVID-19. Because it's called 19 because the virus age is 19 years old. Well, considering you as a human being in this kind of consideration, give it up, girl. You have to aware your duty and responsibility. Wag lalaki ang ulo.